Hey everybody, I'm at the beach this week and it's a slow day because the weather's not great today. So I'm going to kick out this email, let you guys know about two workshops we have coming up. So if you have shoulder pain, you know someone that has shoulder pain, check out below. We got two different workshops that are going on in Upper Macungie. So in Upper Macungie, Katie's going to be doing that one. And in Bethlehem, that's going to be Dakota. I'm going to try to make it to both of those. And you guys should too. If you're having any pain with shoulder movement, pain is not okay. So we got to get that figured out. If you have a friend or family member that wants to come, all you got to do is register. So there's only 20 spots available. Actually putting an ad in the newspaper to promote it too. So just make sure you get your spot if you want to do that. So click below. Next one is next Monday, and then another one I think is the following Tuesday. But all the information is below. If you have any questions about anything, always hit reply to this email. And if you've been wanting to see me a little bit more, most people don't. They're kind of tired of seeing me, right? But I'm going to be in the clinic more often this summer. We're getting a little bit busier, and man, it is hard to find PTs. So if you know a PT, then send out my information as well. But let's focus on. I'm having a hard time focusing. Shoulder pain workshop. All the information is below. I will see you guys at the workshop. If you have pain with any movement in your shoulder, or you know someone that does, then have them register, and I will see you guys soon.